Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy and I make videos mostly about our allotment and sometimes other things as well. I'm down on the allotment today. I haven't actually been here for a couple of weeks due to work and having my COVID jab, which then made me feel quite ill. So yeah, not been down, and it's all grown. So I'll give you a little tour in a minute, show you what we've got. Some things we lost in the greenhouse when it got really cold and it was all just in there for too long, but now it's started to warm up. I say that, it's actually bloody freezing today. Well, I feel really freezing, but over the next few days hopefully we're going to start planting everything out now because the evening temperature has risen up, and we can get it all out of the greenhouse. We've also got it's over there in that box there, are some arches that we're going to put together, and hopefully the idea is to grow over, I think they're called Jack-Be Little pumpkins, so they're just little pumpkins, and we're going to grow them over the top. I've got two arches, and then so I'm going to separate them probably about 1 metre-ish apart. I don't know yet, I'll see when I do it, and then put some netting or chicken wire in between the two arches, so it gives a longer growing space to grow over. Does that make sense? I'll show you once I've done it. And we might have some other squashes going over the top of there as well.
Hey, won't you come along with me? I hear your neighbors, dogs is barking. Soon the country all around me come to look the same. There's a place from where they came.
So I've put one arch up, now doing the other arch. They're very, very easy to put together. They are quite, not flimsy, but they move and bend quite easily. But we've got, I don't know what you can see in the background there, but we've put one in. I'll show you it properly in a minute once we put the other one up. And I think we've decided it's going to be Jack-Be Little, Tromboncino, and maybe some cucumbers growing over it. So I'm just going to finish putting this one together now. So that's the two arches up. I've had to move this one a little bit nearer this way. I wanted it right at the end of that bed, but it was hitting the top of the tree, as you can see. So that's the end of the bed, and then it was hitting the tree, which is no good. So yeah, just moved it along. Now I'm going to see if I can somehow put some netting or chicken wire or something. I prefer to use chicken wire, but I'm not sure I've got enough. So yeah, to go all the way over the top in the middle. But yeah, nice and easy to put together. I'll show you what they were. I got them from Amazon, and I will link them down below if I remember. So it's just these ones that I got off of Amazon. I can't remember how much they were, but they weren't a lot, and I just bought 2 of them. Just show you, look how good. Well, I think they're good. I've never grown bulb beans before, but they look good to me. Got some nice, lots of flowers on them. They look nice and healthy. So now we've had the warmer weather and lots of rain, actually started to look good. And then the peas along there, and then we've got this gap here. Oop. Mum's just about to put another row of peas, so all of these ones that she started off indoors, they're going to go out in that bed as well.
Bring out your goods and your chattels and all the treasures that can travel. I'll fix the wheel and all the axles. See another day. We'll even come what may. Anymore for anymore. Hear the angels.
That's a new row of peas in here, and then over here under the arches is our other pea bed. So we already had these ones in this circle and these ones in this circle here, and then I've just filled in this gap here with some of them other peas. So these are let's have a look, sugar and peas, and they were started indoors on the 8th of April, and then we've just planted them out now. Not sure, we don't think these ones are the sugar and ones, we think these are, what did you say, Mum, meteor?
Yeah, some are meteor, some are sugar.
Oh, so they're all mixed basically. So 2 different types of peas there. Still got the netting on there just to stop the pigeons, hopefully. And then over here, oh, I've just seen a little, is that a tulip coming through there under the tree? Just a little tiny one there. We've got all the blossom coming out on the trees now. They've all been a bit late due to the cold weather, but this is a like a crab apple tree. And then this one over here, which had blossomed like in April last year, but it's a bit slow to get going, I think, as I say, because it's been so cold. But there's a little bit of blossom on there. But what I was going to say is, Mum is over here making this a brassica bed. So this is all our kohlrabi gone in, and then in this half, obviously where this arch is, there will be probably some little pumpkins at the bottom of there, but the rest of it is going to be some purple sprouting broccoli. I think we've just got so much to get out. I'll show you what we've got in the greenhouse. So into the greenhouse then. So we've got some Savoy cabbage, some more them brassicas need to go out. We've got some Cavilla Nero kale, and I've got some more of this at home as well that needs to go out. Some kalettes which need to go out. Mum's got Brussels sprouts, cauliflower at home. So yeah, we've got lots of brassicas that need to go out. Oh, and there's some more cabbage here. Red, what's that? Red Romanov cabbage, that needs to go out. These are all our squashes, so Tromboncino, so they will get planted on. Everything's really dry in here. This is Cosmos, so I'm going to plant that out soon. My echinacea, garden mint's still not growing, but some of my celery, I've not grown celery before, but I planted it all on and they were like this tiny little bit. Some of them didn't take, but yeah, these ones are all doing really well. These are sunflowers all coming up now. And what else we got? We've got cucumbers here, they'll be going out soon. And what else, got lupins, they're all going. Oh, got all of these have all been potted on. So these were started in like one of these, I think, but a slightly bigger one, so they were slightly bigger, and then they've been potted on and they're looking good. So we've got the, I can never pronounce this, the Yukikuri and Sunburst something or other. I mean, I can never even read them. So they've got to go out. What's this one? Oh, there. Oh. Yeah, so they'll all be going out in the next couple of days. Now we've got some better weather. These are celeriac. These were potted on later than the celery, so they are a little bit small still. Or not small, but smaller. And then we've got the Tumbling Tom tomatoes that's starting to come up as well. So all of that needs to go out. So we've got lots of like big grassy areas in between our beds and stuff. And we've got a lot of dandelions, which I know people hate, but I just love them. I think they look lovely. And I haven't got time now, I've got to go because I've got a optician's appointment. But what I want to do is pick them, not all of them because I need to leave some for the bees and other pollinators, but I want to pick them and infuse them into oil. So yeah, that's what I need to do. So I'm just going to walk along to the other plot. My dad's been doing some stuff to the shed, so I'll just update you on that under my arches. Oh, left the boxes in. I'll take that down to the other plot. Save the cardboard because we might need it for a no-dig bed. at some point. Yeah, I'll show you my ranunculus as well. If you watched my video, they weren't looking too good. Some of them are all right. Hang on, let me turn it around. So I put all bulbs in there. None of them have come up yet. And some of them, they're starting to get new growth now. So some of them started to go like that, but then there's new growth coming through. So hoping to get a few ranuncular plants, flowers. My larkspur, yeah, and the whatever that was, can't remember what it was now. But it is starting to grow back, so hopefully I'm leaving it and hopefully it will come back. So here got some new growth coming through there as well, so they look a bit crap at the moment, but hopefully they're going to make a comeback. So yeah, I'm just going to go along to the other plot, see what my dad's done in the shed, and then I need to get going. Oh, bloody gate. Ugh. Can never get it to, oh, that'll do. Yeah, I can't go home, have some lunch quickly, but hoping can get more stuff out, planted out. Hopefully can pop along here on Sunday. I'm working, yeah, just trying to fit it in between working really. My mum's just walking along. What does she want? Hang on, I know what she wants. I'm using her phone to film because my phone ran out of battery. I'm filming you.
Oh, I'm going to bring your bag up.
What bag?
Your gardening bag.
Oh, okay. I'm going to come and have a look at the shed and then I'm going to go. So we moved all our salad into the polytunnel just to give us some more space really. Yeah, and it's just got loads. That's rocket. So salad for lunch today, I think. So we have a window. I didn't know Dad was going to... Does it open? Oh, I thought it was going to open. Look, I thought it was a mirror. It's a cabinet door, is it? Ah, it's off of a dresser. That's nice, a window. Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
I measured it up the other day.
It fits well, doesn't it?
There's a ventilation strip.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. So this is Dad's ventilation strip, i.e. it didn't quite fit. That's what allotments are about. And then Dad's put down some flooring because it was a bit wibbly wobbly, so now it's all spread out a bit, so it won't give way, hopefully. Just don't jump on it now. Yeah, and he's just put this, we had this in the greenhouse, but it was only in the greenhouse until the shed was ready. So we've got these shelves put up and everything else is hanging up, and then we've got another shelves that are up in the greenhouse as well that are going to go on the floor. Just need to move them down here, so it's looking good now. Look, oh. And then we need to tidy up all out there. Oh, it's just one thing after the other, huh? So that's the end of today's video. Just a little update one, as I say, because I've not been down here. I haven't put any videos up for 2 weeks, I think. Just as I said at the beginning, just because of work and not feeling well because of my jab and stuff. But hopefully, and the weather's been crap, to be honest. So there wasn't anything we could do because the weather was just rubbish. So yeah, I'm excited now that we can get everything out and hopefully it will start growing well now. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that anyway, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.